a while. Hello. Who are you?
I'm the cookie inspector.
Okay. How did you get into my house?
Yeah, the door was right open and I saw you were about to eat this cookie without inspecting. So I had to come in and inspect your cookie.
Right. Okay. I'm just gonna eat my cookie.
No, you can't!
Why not?
Because it needs inspecting!
Dude, just get out my house, you weird creature!
You put that cookie any close to your mouth, and I put my bullet right through your mouth. Now give it to me. Come on.
Here you go.
Thank you. That loser over there thinks I'm inspecting you. But what I really want to do is eat you. Yes. Like I do to everyone else's cookie. Oh my God. He's not really a cookie inspector. Stole my cookie. I'm gonna go and get something he'll remember.
He thinks he can steal my cookie, huh?
Ah, yes.
You're going to pay.
Stop! Why? I haven't finished inspecting your cookie.
I know your trick.
What trick?
I saw you were about to eat my cookie. And you called me a loser. Nobody calls me a loser and steals my cookie at the same time. Now put it down!
Okay.
Nobody steals my cookie and gets away with it!
Oh yeah? We see about that.
Kill him.
I will kill you.
Hang on. I just remembered something. I installed a bomb. Yeah, I installed a bomb. I remember now. It leads all the way down to the ground. Where he is. Yes, that's it. I don't think so. Ah! Right. He's gonna pay.
I will destroy you.
Oh no! Damn, I'm out of ammo. What am I gonna do? Oh my God. Is that what I think it is?
Yes, it is. Yes.
Oh my.
shut. What the hell is that?
I'll take that, thank you very much.